Electronic authority alarms. Train operating alarms are shown on the ice. The alarm display includes the operator and control board that the alarm relates to, the type of alarm, the alarm's priority, indicated by the colour and sound, and the alarm details. Common alarms in order of priority include out of authority, coloured red and sounded until acknowledged. Proximity reminder, coloured orange and sounded every 5 seconds. And no departure report, coloured yellow and sounded every 30 seconds. Alarms will remain on the screen until acknowledged. Press the tick to acknowledge the alarm and return to the home screen. This completes the Electronic Authority Alarms module.